Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting topology and immediately fixing glaring issues. Remove n-gons and isolated vertices so the mesh will behave predictably. Once done, apply transforms and set your scene units to avoid scale mismatch. Then duplicate the original mesh and lock that backup. This protects you from destructive changes. Begin topology with a low-density cage where loops follow curvature, because edge flow controls deformation and smoothing. Work fast and make iterative saves as you proceed to the next phase. You now build clean topology. Draw edge loops that follow major curvature and place poles in low motion areas so deformation and smoothing stay stable. Use a shrink wrap or projection tool to snap new vertices to the high-resolution surface, making sure to preserve silhouette detail. Once loops are laid, relax and evenly space faces. This eases subdivision. Make targeted cuts around joints or sharp features for control. After that, run a quick smoothing pass and check normals and UV seam candidates before surfacing. You finalize by applying a subdivision surface modifier and tuning edge creases or weights so sharpness matches the reference. This shapes the final silhouette. Then bake normals or displacement from the high-res source to capture fine detail and fix UVs for clean texel distribution. Once rendered, inspect for pinching or artifacts. If you see pinching, add a supporting edge or redistribute loop density to relieve the stress. If smoothing normals look wrong, recalc normals or split the troublesome seam. Those small fixes finish the job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.